Hi everyone, it's Richard here from MxL. In this video we're going to be talking about our bespoke retail display service. Over the years we have worked with visual merchandisers and agencies to create professional retail displays, product launches and shop window backdrops. From one-off installations to complete rollouts, our team has experience operating in retail environments throughout the UK and overseas. We've worked in plenty of shopping centres such as Westfield London, Metro Centre, Trafford Centre, Bluewater, Lakeside and the Bullring in Birmingham, to name a few. We've also worked in Harrods, Selfridges, Knightsbridge, as well as flagship stores for Ralph Lauren, Topshop, Burberry, Watford FC and Rubik's Cube. All of our retail projects are drawn up in working drawings for sign-off before we begin any manufacturing. You'll be issued a handsome project manager to oversee the entire process, so you can rest assured that your project is in safe hands. We absolutely love working on retail projects and always get a buzz seeing something that we've built on display for the public to see every day. It makes working through those long nights and early hours all worth it. For more information, please visit our website at mxlltd.co.uk, where you can find some of our most recent retail display work in our gallery page. Now if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, make sure to subscribe, ring the bell and leave any comments below. I'm Richard from MxL and thanks for listening. Bring it down a little bit more. A little more.